What's up, YouTube? So today, guys, I'm here to unbox, review, and also show you the on-foot of the Jordan / Nike brand Jordan 7, okay, GC, which stands for Great China. Comes in a multicolored chili red, white, black, metallic gold. Now, these shoes were released on November 2020. The price, it cost me $232. All right, I ordered from Nike.com. Jordan is always, putting out Chinese New Year kind of kicks. You know what I'm saying? However, these right here, they're like Chinese kind of New Year. It's designed that way. All right. Even if you look at the box, take a look at the box. All right. It's got Chinese writing on it. You know what I'm saying? It just look like something that resembles or something that basically look like Chinese artwork, right? Kind of look like dragons and all kind of different colors on it. You know what I'm saying? It had a lot to do with Nike. Nike and Jordan combined together in order to make these shoes. Now, these cost me about $230, and I got it from footlocker.com. Obviously, they weren't sold out. That's the reason why I bought it. If people were really looking for these shoes, they would have bought them already. All right. Before I get there, it would have been all gone. It would have sold like hotcakes. But that's not the case. So if you were looking for that right now, you want to order one, you go ahead. It's not sold out. All right. Let's talk about Michael Jordan for a second, because the Jordan brand has been around since 1983, 84. You know what I mean? Jordan went to North Carolina. All right. Got into the NBA. All right. Became a major iconic player. All right. An iconic athlete. All right. His brand it's everywhere. All right. And he's also one of the only players, an athlete, that's retired and has his own team. Okay. He purchased the Charlotte Bobcats for $275 million. All right. And till today, he controls 97% of its equity. All right. Now, if you ask me, that's a lot of money. You understand what I'm saying? Do you know how many people you have to hire under you in order to overlook things, to help you with different things? I think that would be a lot of work to be doing that. You understand what I'm saying? But, Jordan's a rich guy. You know what I'm saying? I would love to have some of that money he has. So without further ado, let's take a look at these kicks and let's see what they look like. All right. And in case you don't have these Jordans yet, they come in a box that look just like this. All right. Let me give you guys a 360. All right. I bought these from Nike.com, okay? And I got it for about $232. You can see the designs on it, all right? On this part, the inside part. This is kind of look like Chinese kind of design. Like I said, it's kind of like a Chinese New Year kind of kicks. What do I think about it? It's kind of wild. You know what I'm saying? This is kind of very, very wild type of looking shoe. I don't know what to think about it. Obviously, it's not sold out. When I tried to buy it, wasn't sold out. So that tells you right there that people were not really looking for these kicks right here. If they were looking for it, everybody would have bought it already. It would have been done. But I found it on a shelf because nobody was buying it. But let's take a look at these numerous colors that it's got on it. Look at that bottom. The bottom is so icy. That's so fire right there. And like I said, this comes with metallic gold, black, white, chili red, all these colors, all right? These shoes are made of premium leather, by the way, okay? It's got a Nike Air Max cushioning in there to give you the best performance and comfort, all right? What do you guys think about this? Taking a look at these shoes right here, I'll probably give it a 7 out of 10. The colors are fire. You know what I'm saying? It's something different. Look at that bottom right there, looking like a fruit roll up, all right? That's pretty much it, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you wanted to cop one of these, go to Foot Locker or even Nike.com. You get one of these. They're not sold out. They're not in demand like that, but they're fire. I kind of like them, all right? I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. If you're not, what are you waiting for? Click that like button, click that share button. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Or maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.